Welcome back, Mongo Fix. Mongo cousin Charlie say he want a hitch, a Reese hitch with the 2-inch little receiver. He wants it mounted to his 3-point tractor. Mongo and cousin Charlie find this old, used, and somewhat modified hitch in the back of one of his sheds, so figured this is a good candidate to make something custom. Round the back smooth and then grind a little spot up there for, you know, the welder ground rod and stuff. And if you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo, thank you.